Hey everyone! So you're thinking about starting an online store? Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'm diving into Shopify 101, the complete guide for newbies. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch your very own e-commerce site. First things first, what is Shopify? Simply put, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that lets you set up and run your own online store. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. Head over to shopify.com and click the Start Free Trial button. Fill in your email, password, and store name. Easy peasy. Next, you'll need to add your products. On your Shopify dashboard, click Products and then Add Product. Enter the details like title, description, and price. Don't forget to add high-quality images. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Now let's talk about customization. Shopify offers a variety of themes to choose from. Go to the online store section, click Themes, and browse the theme store. Pick one that suits your brand and customize it to your heart's content. On to setting up payments. Shopify supports multiple payment gateways. Go to Settings and then Payments. Here you can choose from options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or even manual payments. Make sure to set this up correctly so you can get paid. Shipping is up next. Head to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Define your shipping zones, rates, and methods. You can even offer free shipping to encourage more sales. Who doesn't love free shipping, right? Finally, it's time to launch. Review everything one last time and then hit that Publish button. Congrats! You're now an official online store owner. And that's it for today, folks. Shopify makes it super simple to get started with e-commerce. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy selling!